Someone sent me a package, so I don't know where it is. Let's have a look. Digital scales, that. I didn't order that, so someone's ordered that for me. Let's see, who's it addressed to? Coming with Fozz. Coming with Fozz. What is that?
I thought it was cooking with Fozz.
Anyway, that's very, very kind. I'll get to the bottom of that.
Yo, what's up? What are you cooking? What's going on? What's that, Daniel?
You'd better be busting your sweet ass for real in that kitchen and making me some sweet polenta supper, motherfucker.
Yeah, so I am cooking some of my favourite, Daniel's favourite, polenta.
I mean it, stop
Yeah,
f***ing around.
Right.
I'm sick of all the crap you've been making of late. Make me some polenta dick.
The worst. Absolutely the worst instructions I've ever known. Pathetic. Utterly pathetic. Pisses me off, to be honest. Sick of it. I really am. Grow up, Tree of Life. Just put the proper instructions on the back. If you used all of that for 45 minutes, I mean...
What a Tree of Life thinking there. Fucking stupid hippies, I imagine.
You're not wrong, Daniel. You're not wrong at all. I mean... Why haven't you bothered to print that?
I actually hate polenta, but I love watching Fozz showing how bad he is at making it.
No point measuring it. I think we all know there's not enough water in that yet.
Look at that. You know the drill, bro. You know what's up? Polenta go. There's a sensation rocking the nation from station to station. Yeah.
This is Welsh. God.
Who knew that the Welsh could make whiskey? Who knew that?
You'd never know that was Welsh now, would you? Look at it. It looks great.
Some people don't care, do they, about anything, like a sense of kinship or stuff. Is that me? Shit, ain't it? Is that my problem or their problem?
We're living in a crumbling empire. And I'm reminded of that every time I take a sip of tea out of this Margaret Thatcher mug.
Philly Phil MC is here. Rock the best with the most finesse for the north, south, east, and the west. And if you wanna know why we on top of the list,
I mean it, stop pissing around.
Today I'm having more Italian Chinese pasta. I don't know if you've ever heard of pasta. It's like spaghetti, but it's like a different shape. You know what I mean? It's like, you see, rather something takes hold of Italians. Not so such a fever, but a lust, a kind of earthy, primeval hunger. They're hungry for the mushrooms that sprout in the wooded hills of Liguria, Piemonte, Toscana, Emilia-Romagna, Umbria and Veneto. That's what it says on this thing that came with this box. That's got some pasta in it.
Anyway, this is my pasta. It's quite fancy. Fancy box like that, look.
This is the house remove now. It's not as good as the old stuff, so I can't go to the little Vintoto shop that I usually go to in Wakefield at the train station. So I'm settling for this. But, you know, I can't wait to drink some of this actually. It's gonna be ace. Some people say to me, I love my pasta al dente, stuff like that, al dente, and I say to them, I don't cook it properly.
Breathe the move, ooh, breathe the move, breathe the move, ooh, breathe the move, for you, for me, and then for everyone, breathe the move, come on, breathe the move, hey, everyone breathe the move, you breathe the move, breathe the move, breathe the move, you breathe the move for me, for you, breathe the move, breathe the move. I don't only cook, I do other stuff as well. Like, I do the laundry. There's some laundry here. Some laundry I washed earlier. And I'm just gonna, like, put it on a dry thing. Like that. Like that, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Laundry, have you done it? Shit in it, but, you know. It's necessary evil if you want clean clothes.
Need to get my knob out and stick it in there. That's my knob. Hot knob. Woo! Check it. Oh, yeah. Whack. Oops. Hot knobs, jumping frogs.
Everything's ready. That's the pasta, that's the butter, and that's the polenta. That's a treat for another day. Right. Truffle butter.
Keep them in, innit? You know what I mean? Illuminati. Yeah.
Truffle butter looking and smelling pretty fine, mate. Almonds, my brother. They're all over it. That's my dinner.
Good night.
That was the worst thing I've ever worked on. Dickhead.